Good evening, students. Welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to discuss some questions with you that are based on the concept minimum number of capacitors that are required. So, first question I have taken it from the homework that I have given to you today. So, first question is, let's take the marker. So, students, first question is, we have only 4 farad capacitor. So, this is the value of capacitor that we are having some capacitors, but capacity of each capacitor is 4 farad. So he is asking to obtain 13 farad minimum how many capacitors are required. So these are very important questions from NEET point of view or from JEE point of view as well as from CBSE point of view also. So if examiner if I want to set the questions, then I will obviously set such type of questions. These are very easy questions, but to check the concept of student. So we are starting this video. If this video is useful, then you can share this video with your friends. So students, we are with 4 farad capacitor. So minimum we have to find, because maximum we cannot find. It is the biggest concept that maximum capacitors we cannot find. We can find only minimum capacitors. So now starting this video. So as I know, when I have capacitors in parallel combination. Okay, let's take small marker here. So as I was saying, let's take 3 capacitors in parallel combination. 3 capacitors in parallel combination. Then these three will make 4, 4, 4. These three will make 12. So I can say, if I draw this one, let's take it as point A, and this will give me the capacitance of 12 farad, because each one is of 4, 4, 4. So 4 3 is the 12. So if you know the capacitors concept, series and parallel concept, then this video will be useful to you. Otherwise you can leave the video and you can read it first. Go to the series and parallel combination concept of capacitors. So now can I introduce here 4 capacitors in series, because only 4 capacitors in series will give me the value of uh, 13 farad. No other option is possible. So students, here I have connected 4 capacitors. So this is point B, and this is the capacitor of capacity 4 farad. This is also 4 farad. This is also 4 farad. This is also 4 farad. So parallel combination of 4, 4 and 4 will give me 12, and this series combination of 4 capacitors will give me one capacitor that is of 1 farad. So student, farad is the unit of capacitor if you don't know. So farad is the unit of capacitor. So in the simple way, this is the smallest combination. This is the minimum number of resistance and capacitors required. So always connect, first to find the value that you can get. Like if 13 is here, how you can solve this question? Students, this is the biggest concept. 13 is given here. So divide this 13 into two terms that can be possible. So 4 farad is one value. So can I write it as 12 plus 1? So 12, to get 12 I can connect 3 in parallel, and to get to this one value I will connect 4 in series. This is the smallest, this is the shortest way. No other combination will make other combinations will also make the 13 farad, but then there are some other ways also. So this is the easiest way you have to understand, I think. Other connection, I will make one more combination here. You can see that combination also, that will also make 13 farad, but the capacitors in that case will be more than this. So now I am taking another combination. Let's take another combination. Okay, so this is the minimum, and minimum case in this case minimum 4 3 is 7, 4 3 and 4 plus 3, 7 capacitors are required here. So I am now erasing it. You can take the screenshot. Now I will draw another circuit for it. Okay, now I am erasing it. So student, another circuit that I can through which I can get the 13 farad, I am drawing it now. So I have the capacitance capacitor of 4 farad. So let's suppose this is 4 farad, this one is again 4, and this one is again 4. So first let's suppose I have connected 3 in parallel, so that I get 12 instantly, so that I can get 12 instantly. So this is point A. Let's suppose on the left hand side this is point A. Now what I can do, now students, what I can do is, okay, you have to wait for 1 minute. Marker available. Okay, yes. So now students, what I can do, I am getting 12 from here, 4 4 4, 12 from here, parallel combination. I want to get 1. Can I connect this to this 2 and this 2? So I have connected here some capacitors, like this is 4, this is 4, this is again 4, this is again 4. So if I connect 4 capacitors here, let's suppose I have connected 4 capacitors here, like this one, and 4 capacitors near in this one, 4 capacitors up, 4 capacitors down. So this combination will give me 1 farad. This combination will give me 1 farad. This combination will give me 1 farad, and this upper combination will also give me 1 farad, because each of one them is 4 farad. So 1 and 1 again in parallel, so I get 14. So that is greater value. So simply you can say, if I have to make 12, then I have to collect right here. So the other combination can be this one, 3 in parallel, 3 in parallel. So student, what I want to convey is, you cannot find the maximum number of capacitors. You can find only minimum number of capacitors, that I want to convey. So that's why I am extending this question. Otherwise we have already got the answer. Answer is 7. So let's take this and now connect 8 capacitors in series at upper in the upper branch, 8 capacitors in the series in the lower branch, 8 capacitors here, 8 capacitors here. Now students, you will get, after connecting 8 capacitors here, you will get value 0.5. After connecting 8 capacitors here, you will again get value 0.5, because its answer will be, after connecting 8 capacitors, the capacitance will be 4 by 8. So student, basically my opinion is here that you can get you can draw this circuit also, but in this case it is 4, it is 4, and it is 4. So you are getting 12 from here, you are getting 12 from here, and you are connecting 8 capacitors here, 8 capacitors here. So you are getting 0.5, 0.5. This is parallel combination, this will also make 1. So 12 plus 1, again you are getting 13 farad. But in this case, how many capacitors you have taken? 8 8 16, 16 and 3 19. So you have taken 19 capacitors here. So my main motive of this question is that for the minimum circuit, for the minimum capacitors you can draw the circuit. For the minimum capacitors you can draw the circuit, but to find the maximum number of capacitors you cannot draw a circuit. You can only judge the minimum number of capacitors. There can be many options that can give us maximum capacitors. Maximum capacitors can be 50 also. Maximum capacitors can be 60 also, but minimum capacitors you can find. So minimum capacitors for this minimum capacitors to make 13 farads, 7 will be the right answer. So we will see some questions of similar type, then you will understand more better. So now I am moving downward and I will take some questions that are from. So now I am going downward and now I am taking one more question that is on the basis. I have only 6 farad capacitor. I have only 6 farad capacitor and I want to get 10 farad. What I can do? Student's question is, I have 6 farad capacitor and I want to get 10 farad. What I can do? So here is the solution. I am providing the solution for this question. You can understand. To obtain, I am just marking so that I can understand. I have to obtain 10 farad, and what I have 6 farad capacitor. Now students, suppose this is 6 farad, one capacitor. So I cannot connect two in parallel because 6 6 12 will be there. So one capacitor is connected here and I have to get 10. So can I connect 3 capacitors here? Because 3 capacitors in series will give me 2 value. 3 capacitors in series will give me 6 by 3, that is 2. So its resultant will be 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. So from this combination I will get the value 2 from this series combination of 3 capacitors, 6 and 6. So further, if I connect 3 capacitors in the upper circuit also, 3 capacitors in the upper circuit also, so this will again give me 2. This is 6, this is again 6 and this is again 6. So 3 in series will give me 2 again. That means now you can understand I am getting 2 from the upper branch, 3 capacitors upper, 2 from the lower 3 capacitors, and these 3 are in parallel. So you can say 2 are in this 2 value and this 2 values are in parallel. So I am getting parallel combination. From the parallel combination I am getting 4 value. But this is not the right answer for this question till now. So I have to think about it, because 6 plus 4 we cannot simply add 6 plus 4. So students, wait for some time. Okay, so this will be not the right answer. I have to go to some other way. So let's suppose this was not the right answer. So I have to take this question somehow. So this is the now I am solving. This will be the right answer. So here 6. This 6 and 6 will give me 3. Again 6 and 6. So this will be giving again 3. This is again 6 and 6. This will again give me 3. So I hope this is right. 6 6 3 3 3. Okay, so this will give me this combination will give me the value of 9. 6 6 will make 3, so 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, 3 3 is the 9. I have to get 10. So what I can do else? 3 3 3 2 2 2. Okay, can I get 2 2 5 2? Wait for 1 minute, students. So if I connect 3 capacitors, then I will get the value 2 and 3 5 the 15. So now 6 here, 6 and 6, so I have to connect 6 here, 6 capacitors here. Student, you can understand this question easily. I will explain in detail. I will explain. So here you will get 6, you can connect 6 capacitors. So this is a very important question that you have to understand, very important. So it is 6 6 6 6 6 and 6. So this combination, this whole combination of 6 capacitors of 6 farad will give me the value 1 farad, and this will give me 3, this will also give me 3, this will also give me 3. So 3 3 is the 9, and 9 plus 1, sorry, this combination will again not give me the value of, this is not again giving me the value. So students, you can do what you can do here is, okay, so finally you can draw three capacitors in series combination, and this has value 6, this has value 6, this has value also 6. So students, we are solving this question, and let's suppose first of all I have to connect value 6. So 6 I can get directly from here. We are doing, I am doing this question live, so that's why some questions have problem. So 6 I have get, now I have to get 3 value, 6 plus 3 9. So I could connect 2 capacitors here, 2 capacitors will give me value 3. So this is the 6, and these 2 capacitors will give me the value 3. So 6 plus 3 9. Now I have to get one value, so I will connect 6 capacitors here. This is 6, so 6 capacitors here and 6 capacitors here. So that means this combination of 6 capacitors will give me 1 farad, and this is parallel combination. So this will be the right answer, students, for the given question. 6 from here, 6 from here, 3 from here, two series combination of capacitors, and 6 will give me 3. So 6 plus 3 9, and 1 farad from these 6. So this is the minimum, these here we have the minimum capacitors that are required, and that answer comes out to be 6 capacitors here, 2 capacitors here, 6 and 2 8. So minimum number of capacitors required that are of 6 farad to get 10 farad, is 9. So students, as you will do some questions, then you will get the concept that we are from the 6 to 3. So these are the some methods. I will explain one more question, then you will understand. Let's take the value 8 farad. We have the capacitor of 8 farad, and we have to get the value of let's suppose 20 farad. So 20 we have to obtain, and 8 we have. So now I am starting this question. Can I connect 8 and 8 in parallel? This 8 and this 8 will give me 16. So I have connected them. Now what I can do? I can connect two further 8 and 8 in series, so that 8 and 8 will give me 4 when I connect in series. So this is a easy one. You can simply understand the concept when we will solve some questions, some problem in the second question. But as we do, we will get the trick. So here 8 is there, 8 is here also, 8 8 16. So 8 is here and 8 is here, so that means 8 8 is the 16, 16 and 4 20. So we get the 20 farad by using 8 farad. By using how many minimum capacitors? 4 capacitors we need. Maximum we cannot find, maximum combination, maximum there is a lot of combination we can get, but we can find the minimum value. So let's take another example. I hope this question is clear. In the earlier question we have some problem, we are calculating again and again. So this is right one. So now I am moving to question number again. I am taking 6 farad capacitor again, that we have taken in the second question. 6 farad capacitor I have, and I have to get 15 farad. What I can get, what I can do? So students, as I am getting the questions, so I have to obtain this value 15 farad. So you will it will seem easy to you when you do some not 2 or 3 questions. So here I have connected 1 6 farad and another 6 farad. 6 and 6 12. So 6 and 6 12 now. So what I can do is 12 plus 3 is pending. So can I connect here 2 capacitors? So these two of 6 and 6 will give me 3 value. 3 is parallel with 6. So in this question also your answer will be minimum number of capacitors required is 4. 6 6 and 3, 6 6 12, 12 and 3 15. So I hope this question is again clear. So now we are taking some more examples. Like I have value of 10 farad. I have the capacitor of 10 farad and I want to get let's suppose I want to get 24 farad. 24 farad I have to get. So what I can do, firstly I will connect 2 capacitors like this one of 10 farad, another capacitor of 10 farad, so that I can get 20 easily. So after getting 20 I have to think what I can do. After getting 20, I have to connect 10 10 the 5 5 5 4. Can I connect 6? No. 10. 4 capacitors of 10. No. 5 capacitors of 10 will give me 2. So I have to connect 5 capacitors here. So students, I can connect 5 capacitors here. So by connecting 5 capacitors here, I will get the value, that is 2 farad. Wait for 1 minute. So students, I will connect 5 capacitors here and 5 capacitors again here, so that I will get 2 farad from them, and 2 farad, 2 4 4 10 14 14 and 10 24. So minimum number of capacitors in this case are required is 1 2 2 and 5 7, 7 and 5 12. So 12 capacitors are required here. Students, if less than this, you can make the combination less than this capacitors. So you can make the combination less than using 12 capacitors, then you can send me a feedback. You can send me a problem if this is possible using less than 12 capacitors. So I think 12 capacitors are required here. So let's take 1 to 2 more examples. I have the value 6 and I have to make 14. I have the value of 6 farad and I have to obtain the value of 14 farad. What I can do? So 14 is required. So I will try. First I will take 6 farad. Then again I will take 6 parallel, because 6 and 6 will make 12, close to the required value. So close to the required value. Then I can do 6 and 6 12. So 14 I have to get. So I connect 3 in series now. So in some questions it will seem like they are difficult, but in some questions it will be easy, like this is 6, this is 6, and from these three we will get 2. So 6 6 12, 12 and 2 14. So 1 2 3 4 5 number of capacitors are required in this case. 5 number of capacitors are required in this case when I have 6 farad capacitor and I have to obtain 14 farad capacitance. So I hope this is clear. Taking one more example, I have suppose 9 farad capacitor. So these questions are taken randomly, so that's why some questions may be some problem, so that's why sometime happen. So 9 farad capacitance is there and capacitors are there, and I have to get 20 farad. What I can do, 20 farad I have to get. So student, to get exact 20 farad, first I will connect 9 farad, then again 9 farad, then I have no option. Okay, then I have no other option because 9 I have already get, and to get 2, what I can do, connect here 9 capacitors in series. Connect here 9 capacitors in series so that I can get the value 1. Again connect the 9 capacitors in wait for 1 minute. Again connect the 9 capacitors in series here. Then you will get, now then you will get 20. From here 9 you will get, from here you will get also 9, from here you will get one value, and here from you will get also one value. So 9 9 18 19 and 20. So in this way you can solve the question, and minimum number of capacitors in this case are 9 9 18. So 20 capacitors of 9 microfarad are required to get the 20 farad. No other combination is available. If you have any combination, then you can send me. So this is the possible, these are the possible questions that I am discussing. Let's take one more example. Let's suppose I have the value of 8 farad capacitance and I have to get 30 farad. If I have to obtain 30 farad, then what I can do, 8 farad capacitance, 3 8 farad capacitors are in parallel combination. So here I have connected 3 in parallel. So this will give me 24. This will give me 24. What I can do else is I have to get so now I have to connect 2. Can I get 4 from it? Yes. So it is 24. 24 plus 4, 28. So here I have connected 2 capacitors. Now I have to connect 4 capacitors here, because 4 capacitors of 8 farad will give me the value 2. So to obtain 30 farad, I need this combination. I need this combination. This 2 will give me 4. 8 and 8 4. I will try to explain the detailed concept. So it is 4, 8 and 8 will give me 4. This will give me 8. This will give me again 8. This is again 8. And 4 capacitors of 8 will give me value 2 in series when they are in series. So 8 8 8, 24, 24 and 4, 28, 28 and 2, 30. So this is the minimum number of capacitors required. No other way is possible. You can check at your end on also. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 and 4, 9 capacitors are required in this case. From the 8 farad capacitors, if you have to obtain 30 farad, then minimum number of capacitors are 9. Again I am repeating, maximum number of capacitors you cannot determine. So now I will take 2 to 3 more questions. So then I will leave the video. So let's suppose I have the capacitor 9 farad and I have to make 25 farad. So students, these are very important questions. 25 farad I have to obtain, and I have 9 farad capacitor. So let's suppose 1, because 2 will give me 2 after connecting 2 capacitors I will be close to 25. So now I am close to 25. Now what I can do, 9 9 18. So if I connect 3 capacitors here, then I will get value 3. So 18 plus 3, 21. I have to get exactly 25 value, so that's why I am doing some calculation. So 3 capacitors of 9 farad again. So 3 9 3 9 9 18 18 and 3 21 21 and 3 24. So this combination is giving me 24. So one value I have to get, so I will connect 9 capacitors here, 9 capacitors of 9 farad here, so that I will get one value from this one. So students, to get the 1 farad from here, 9 9 I am getting here, 9 I am getting here, and 3 capacitors of 9 farad are giving me 3 here and 3 here. So 9 9 is 18, 18 and 3 21, 21 and 3 21 and 3 24, to 21 24 plus 1 25. So now capacitors, how many capacitors are required? 9 9 in first row, 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So to get 25 farad from the 9 farad, minimum number of capacitors that are required are 7. So students, you can try, I am again also again saying, you can try at your end also, that in which combination you can get the minimum capacitors. So I think this is the combination. So in other combination you can get the 25 farad, but 17 is the, I think, minimum value. So you can try at your end also. So in this video we have tried many questions. So let's take another question. 12 farad I have, 12 farad capacitance I have, and I have to obtain, let's suppose, 30 farad. So 30 farad I have to obtain. I am not taking 30, let's take it as 32 farad, because in 30 case answer will be 4, I think. So now I have to obtain I have to 32 farad, and what value I have? 12 farad. So in this case again I will take 12 and 12, so that I can get 24 easily. So 12 here and 12 again here. So 12 and 12 will make 24, and now I have 24 plus, can I add 6? 24 plus 6, then I will get 24 plus 24 plus 4, can I get add 4 here? Can I use 3 capacitors here? This will give me 12 this 4, so 12 it will give me 28, and 3 more capacitors if I connect here, 3 more capacitors if I connect here, then I will get the value of 32. So students, this is 12. I will change the color. This is giving me 12, and this is also giving me 12. So 12 12 24, and these 3 capacitors of 12 farad are giving me 4. So 12 12 24, 24 plus 4 28, 24 8 plus 4 32. So this is the another combination. From this combination I am getting 32 farad, 1 capacitor, 2 capacitor, 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 capacitors are required in this question. Minimum capacitors I am talking about, minimum 8 capacitors are required, that are of 12 farad to get the 32 farad. I hope this is again clear. So now this is the last question of this video, and after this video, this question, I will give you one more question for your homework. So I have the capacitor of 4 I have the capacitance or capacitor of, let's take 5 farad, because 5 farad we have not taken. So let's small size. So 5 farad capacitor I have, and I have to obtain 22 farad. What I can do here, I have to get 22. So first I will connect 4 in parallel, because 4 in parallel will give me the value 20. So 4 capacitors I will connect here. After connecting 4 capacitors, I will get the value 20, and I hope this is clear. So after getting 20, what I can do, 22 required. So then I have to connect 5 capacitors here, because I have to get 22 exactly. So 5 capacitors here and 5 capacitors in the next row also, so that I get the value 1 and 1 from these. So 5 and the rest. So students, in this case you can see, from here I will get 5 value, 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 and from these 5 capacitors I will get 1 value, and from these 5 I will again get 1 value. So 5 5 5 5 20 20 and 2 22. So to get 22 farad from the capacitors of 5 farad, minimum number of capacitors required are 1 2 3 3 4 4 and 5 9 9 4 5 14 is the minimum number of capacitors that are required to get 22 farad from the 5 farad capacitors. One more question I will discuss, then I will give you homework. So students, now I am giving you question that I have 3 farad capacitors. 3 farad I have, and I have to obtain 20 farad. 3 farad I have, and I have to obtain 20 farad. How many capacitors are required? So I will connect 6 capacitors here that are in parallel, so that I can get directly 6 into 3. 6 3 is the 18. So 18 I will get directly. So this is the combination, you can say. I hope this is clear. So here I have connected 6 capacitors in parallel combination. You can connect these wires. So this, from this combination what I value I will get, 6 3 is the 18. So 18 value is already obtained by this circuit. Now I can connect 3 capacitors here to get 1, and 3 capacitors again to get 1. So students, in short you can say how many capacitors are required. Let's check. 3 3 3 3 3 3. So 18 is obtained here, 1 is from these 3 and 1 from these 3. So 20 you will get. Minimum number of capacitors required is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 3 9 9 3 12. So students, in this case 12 minimum number of capacitors are required. 12, the minimum number of capacitors required are 12 here. So last question, that is given to you homework. In the homework you can note down this question, that if I have the capacitors of 2 farad. Okay, let's take some other value. If I have the capacitor of 8 farad, and I have to obtain 23 farad, then the minimum number of capacitors required will be. So this is the value I have to obtain. This is the value of 23 farad I have to obtain. And what I have the capacitance of 8 farad. So students, you have to do this question in your notebook, and this is the video that we have continued for 40 minutes. and I have done a lot of questions in it. So some questions have maybe some problems maybe there, and but I have tried my best. So if you any doubt is there, if you have any doubt and if you have any query or any question that is not solved properly here, you can send me the solution of that question, so I will check that solution also. So I have done my best. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like if this video is useful, then you can like and share this video with your friends. Okay, so thank you so much, have a nice day ahead, bye bye.